Welcome back to Casey's World. Today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. I have to beat my high school, and my little sister Kylie has to beat her high score. Hold on, could you die so we can see her high score? So, her high score is 19,035. So, not and 35, but this is 35. I have to beat 22,311. We are pros at this game.
Well,
I'm the pro. I beat the high score. That's why I get to pick what you have on for TV.
Can they hear you though?
Yes, because I don't have headphones in. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is very stressful. Oh my god, Kylie, you're shaking the whole desk. We should both be doing our own videos, but okay.
Sheila, actually tell the YouTubers to get us to 1 million subscribers.
We like to get this YouTube to 1 million subscribers. I know it's a lot because we only have 26, but it'd be really nice. Okay, so I'd like you guys to smash that like button. Smash that like button, and make sure that that subscribe button is not gray.
At the end of the video.
Yeah, do it at the end of the video so you can watch our amazing battle.
No, you usually say that at the end of the video.
Well, you say it in the intro too, anyways. Well, we'd like you guys to make sure we get to 1 million subscribers. And we will do your dares. If we can get... Yes, if we get to 1 million subscribers, we will do your dares. Only if we get to 1 million subscribers.
If we get it to 1 million subscribers, we'll have a first to play button for hitting 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, anyways, we will do all your dares. Every single one of you. Okay, that was weird.
I died.
I just rebirthed, really. Oh my god, rebirth. What? That doesn't count. I know, guys, this is glitchy. Oh my god. Well, if we get to 1 million subscribers, we will do your dares. So, if you want us to do all your dares, we might have to do parts, but if you want us to do your dares,
you're gonna have to send it to us by card.
No. Or they could send it to us not in the car, but in the, what do you call it? No! In that thing under the video. Comment down below what you want us to do your dares, okay? And we will do every single one of them. We will not miss one if we get to 1 million subscribers. So make sure you recommend that to your friends and family to tell them we are great YouTubers and
only if they know our YouTube channel though.
Yes. If we get 1 million subscribers, we will do all your dares, every single one of them. If they're not bad, go rob a mansion. We'll do the dares that are good. So do something easy, shave some of Kylie's hair off.
No, shave Taylor's hair off.
Or to cut some of Kylie's hair off to make a mustache.
No, to cut a lot of Taylor's hair off to make a mustache.
Or cut Kylie's hair off to make a beard for Baxter.
You better stop that beard. Hot more than those knuckles Greg has.
Okay, well,
You can dare us to
just make sure you hit that like.
You can comment. You can dare us to for Kayla to say yes to probably take 24 hours.
Oh shoot, don't you dare. No, she does bad things. She does bad things, don't you dare. No, say 24 hours listener to her parents. Mom. Yes, that's better, 'cause she doesn't listen.
Yeah, and bad black for real.
Wait, what?
No.
But seriously, do not do that. She should listen to me for 24 hours.
Wait, you can say, Kayla has to say no to me for 24 hours.
No.
I'll make so of the stuff that you love.
No, you're going to say play on the tablet. No. N-O.
You can't say no to me. You have to say no to me.
So, like, if you ask you, I'll play on the tablet. She does bad things. Don't listen to her. She should say yes to me for 24 hours. She's going to talk about taco salad, my favorite food, and all of the other stuff, like water.
You better not say for Kayla too. I have to say no for her. Because she's going to say, can I come with her to New York City?
No, I'm not. I never even mentioned New York City to you.
No, you won't say that.
No, I won't.
No, guys, don't say
That means you have to say no if we do a no. I don't know what she's doing anymore. She's gone crazy.
I'm watching the video so I don't have to die.
Oh, well, are we not doing this anymore? Well, I guess we're just... Ouch! Well, this video is just about why you should subscribe. Well, one, because me and Kylie are great YouTubers, or at least I am, and Kylie's a real dorkfish. Two, if you compare us, we are great comparisons. Because we have so many similarities and differences. Like, I love cool stuff. Like, I'm more of that Roblox type. She's more of the, do you want to do a tea party, Mr. Stuffy? I'm like more of that, hey guys, you want to text to, I don't know. Do you want to text, Brian F? Brian F. a poop emoji because...
Guys, I know Regina's boyfriend.
Okay, you know what? We are not talking about our other channels or else that... She could... Please... Oh my god.
I'm watching you.
Well...
I really want to smell my slime. My slime smells cheesy. Don't. Kayla, stop. That's cheating.
I just want to smell it.
No, you can't. Only if you win. Only if you win.
Can I just touch it?
No, stop.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Only if you win.
Okay.
I'm gonna beat ya.
You
died.
Well,
I'm gonna go super fast.
Ignore that. But another reason you should subscribe to us is because if we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will start shouting out people. Only if we get to 100 subscribers. Yeah, not 1,000, but 100. If we can get to 100 subscribers, I will give out shout outs. I'm not sure if she will, because she's Lazy.
No one knows what that means.
That means lazy. So that's why you should subscribe to us.
And we have recess pieces if you want one. All you need to do is come to our house.
Dude, we're not telling them our address.
We will.
No, that's illegal on YouTube. Well, that's the end of the video. Bye. Oh, remember, get to 100 likes if you want to start giving out shout outs, and 1 million if you want us to do all your dares in the comment if they are good. See you next time. Bye.